The Gavota armchair makes life easier for people with reduced mobility. It has been specially designed for use in rest homes, nursing homes, or hospitals. It can also be a great help to those taking care of loved ones at home. Thanks to the precise workmanship and quality of materials, it can complement any home interior. The chair offers several safety features. It is equipped with 4 swivel casters with brakes and a 5th directional wheel, which facilitates driving in a straight line. Between the wheels is a retractable footrest with a non-slip layer that supports the legs and makes it easier to get on and off. This also provides a natural protection against unintentional or unwanted movement of the chair. The plastic wheels also serve as protection against damage to the interior. Our minimum gap system prevents injuries to fingers when adjusting the armrest. The chair offers a wide range of configuration options, offering the maximum possible comfort for both user and caregiver. The chair is made in 2 seat heights, 47 cm and 51 cm. The armrests offer 5 height adjustment positions, which facilitate handling patients. The chair is adjustable and offered in motorized or manual-only versions. The twin-engine version allows you to position the backrest and footrest separately. An optional rechargeable battery lasts for around 200 positioning cycles per charge. You can equip the Gavota armchair with practical accessories like a removable dining plate or spherical handle, which makes getting up easier and improves motor functions, or many other accessories. Simple maintenance is an absolutely essential feature. The hygienic gap between the seat and the backrest prevents contamination. The chair cover can be produced either in fabric or vinyl with a number of special modifications available. There is a completely waterproof material under the washable fabric upholstery of the seat. We can stain the wood parts in 12 different shades according to the customer's preference. Upholstery materials and foams meet world standards for hygiene and non-flammability.